rules are clear. No outsiders beyond this gate. You've barely been gone, Feng. Forgotten already?
This one's not an outsider! I swear! I swear! Master Peng took on a new disciple out there! Your token. Show her. Quick!
If this is Peng's disciple, where is Peng?
Peng is traveling! I met our new disciple on the road. And volunteered to guide the way.
One strays back alone, the other vouches on a whim. Thick-headed fools, the both of you.
Ah!
I won't make things hard for our new disciple. Since you've passed initiation, just use the Everlink form and meet me up here.
Heron!
Almost forgot about you, Feng. The path ahead is treacherous, so you might as well keep guiding the way. I'll be waiting at the cliff top for you both.
It's working! It's working!
Thick-headed, but capable.
You're funny, sister. But if I were truly slow, Master wouldn't have chosen me.
Talk is cheap. You still need a lot more tempering.
I think she's getting serious.
You still got me. Let's just get up this mountain.
She's got a temper, sure. But the mechanisms at the Gasping Cliff are truly something. They say once you grasp the truth, you could die content. If I could build something like this...
Watch out! This thing weighs a ton.
Oh, look! It's rising! It's rising! There's a path! Over there! It went back down!
The platform rises when the mechanism is pushed, and drops when it's released. Someone needs to keep pushing. Big Feng?
It's fine. There's a chain up on that platform. With your skills, you should be able to cross it easily.
Big Feng? This thing's heavy. Your leg.
I'm not made of paper. 2 heads are better than 1, right? I can handle a simple mechanism. Come on!
Are you alright?
I'm fine. Totally fine.
Don't push yourself.
If there's one thing I'm good at, it's pushing. I bounce between more schools than I can count. All to learn the craft of powder-propelled arrow. People say I'm fickle. They're not wrong. I just wanted to actually make one. I forced myself to learn archery, calculations, mechanics. We've come this far together. I promise to take you into the mountain, and I won't quit on the last stretch.
Okay, let's head up together.
Thick-headed, the both of them. Though Feng has toughened up since his initiation.
What's that up ahead?
It's a golden colossus! Get out of here! Aaron.
Nothing can knock you down, can it? Every Moist has their own way of interfacing with mechanisms. I remember once, after being deeply moved by fragments of the ancient Everlink form scripture, I went to ask Master Peng for her wisdom. She told me the crux of the form lies in a single concept. Do you know what it is?
Of course I know. It's to Link, isn't it?
Yes, but the principle is far grander. Outsiders see only the Moist power to move mountains and fill seas. They fail to see the principle that allows us to achieve the impossible. That nothing is truly separate, and everything can be made as one. Today, you both have shown a fine grasp of how to see the world not as separate parts, but as a connected whole. It was I who conceived the Everlink form years ago, through my own understanding of the unbreakable link. I have never passed it on to anyone, not even Master Peng. Without studying the ancient text, and with no master for guidance. Feng, where do you think our young disciple learned that technique?
Aaron,
Truth and falsehood are a matter of the heart. Master Peng may never find a disciple, but that doesn't mean I won't accept one. Go have a look at what lies beyond the cliff. Feng, stay. I have something to ask you.
Big Feng?
I'll be alright. Go on, Wanderer. Head to the hidden mountain.
Wait, the ground is moving.
What's this? Trying to make a move too, Feng?
Oh, sister, I just climbed all this way. I'm still dizzy. Ugh.
Things have a way of hiding in plain sight. Perhaps what this mountain needs is a pair of fresh eyes.